I need to ask one thing.
Popcorn!
There you go. Help yourself.
Oh, sure.
Say it out loud.
No ranch seasoning? Whatever. I'll just eat this till my fries come.
Do you guys have favorites?
Honey, don't be ridiculous. Parents love all their kids infinitely. If there's infinite love, then it's not possible to love one more than the other because infinite love is infinite.
Guess I'd say actual.
Dad!
Well, no, sure. The infinite stuff your mom said. Yeah, but I mean, if I had to pick, it's I just have more in common with them, I guess. What? Why are you staring at me? We have football, we hang out together, talking about sports. It's not personal, just human nature. What?
Told you.
I want to be closer. I want to be as far away from people as possible. It's like when Tevye decided his town was too small, so he went on the flying car to New York to become a cop.
You do know that's 3 separate movies.
It's not that big of a deal. It's one class. I can just take it next year.
Oh, you can't. You've got a full course load as it is. Damn it, Axel. We were going to spend one last summer together, and now I got to scramble around to see if I can even get you into summer school.
No! No school and summer. Those things together are an oxymoron. Whoa. I think I used that right. See? I know this stuff. The passing grades is just a formality. Please, don't make me go to summer school. What about the this? Huh? You said that was very important. I'll go outside right now and hit tennis balls.
Since I got good grades, I could go do that. Dad, care to join me?
Okay, let me tell you what's going to happen now. You are going to go to summer school, and you are going to excel, or I am going to reach under that bed of yours and choke you with whatever else I find there.
God, that's so typical. You just focus on the one bad thing and completely ignore all the C's and D's. Oh my God, summer school's even lamer than real school. Now they expect me to memorize dumb Raven poems that barely even rhyme. I mean, I can write a billion times better one than this right now. Summer blows, away it goes. It's totally sucky. Something that rhymes with sucky.
I think Poe can rest easy another day.
To show you some real fun. Guess what I used to do when I was a kid?
Ride dinosaurs?
Yes, because I'm a billion years old. Come on, you're going to love it. Ta-da!
What are we supposed to do?
Run through it.
Why?
Because it's fun. Come on, I'll show you. Woo!
What do you do now?
Yeah, run through it again. Like, whoa! Whoa, it's cold, but exhilarating. I don't get it.
Me
Please stop.
neither.
No, try it. Listen, if your clothes get wet, I won't freak out on you like your dad would.
Each other.
Hang on, Super. Excellent. What are you doing?
I am pen face.
Well, be book-faced and start studying. You got a lot of material to cover by Friday.
How many times have you taken 11th grade English? Because I've taken it twice now, so I think I know a little bit more than you.
Dad, glitter glue or Sharpie markers?
Was that so? Okay, let's take a little quiz. In the first act of Death of a Salesman, which character...
Death.
Death isn't even a character, Axel. That's fine. I guess we'll just sit here and go over this together.